What is the difference between a 2-vessel brewery and a 3-vessel brewery? Beer equipment consists of multiple containers, each with a specific purpose. The types of mash plants commonly used in breweries are 2-vessel and 3-vessel brewhouse. Follow Tiantai to discuss the difference between these two brewing equipment, helping you decide which brewing equipment is right for your brewery. A 2-vessel brewery is the simplest type of brewery. Consists of a mash lauter tun and a kettle whirlpool tun. The mash lauter is where the malt is mixed with hot water to make a mash. The mash then circulates through a perforated false bottom to separate the malt wine from the wort. The wort is then transferred to a kettle/whirlpool tun boil. The kettle/whirlpool is where the wort is boiled and hops are added to impart bitterness, flavor, and aroma to the beer. After boiling, the wort is transferred to a whirlpool, where it is swirled to separate the hot lysates from the wort, then cooled and transferred to fermenters. 3-vessel brewery is a more complex multifunctional system. Consists of mash tun, lauter tun, and kettle whirlpool tun. The mash tun is where malt is mixed with hot water to make syrup. Unlike a 2-vessel mash, the mash tun in a 3-vessel system is dedicated to mashing. Does not double as a lauter tun. The lauter trough is where the wort is separated from the dregs. It is fitted with a false bottom allowing the wort to drain into the kettle while leaving the lees. The kettle whirlpool in a 3-vessel brewhouse is similar to that in a 2-vessel system. This is where the wort is boiled and the hops added vortex for separating wort from wort. Here are a few things to consider when choosing between 2-vessel and 3-vessel brewing. 2-vessel brewery equipment are suitable for small and medium-sized breweries with an annual output of less than 10,000 barrels. The advantage is simplicity and cost-effectiveness, requiring less space and containers. This means lower capital costs and lower operating costs. 2-vessel breweries have more limited capacity. May not be suitable for larger breweries requiring greater flexibility and control over the brewing process, but still produce a variety of styles of beer. 3-vessel brewery equipment is more suitable for large breweries with an annual output of more than 10,000 barrels of beer. The advantage is its flexibility and control over the brewing process. It requires more space and more containers, which means higher operating costs. 3-vessel brewing is more efficient than 2-vessel brewing, with higher yield and better beer quality. For larger breweries, a 3-vessel brewery can provide a better return on investment. Choosing a 2-vessel or 3-vessel brewery depends on the size of the brewery, the type of beer being brewed, and your budget. The right brewhouse for your brewery is the one that best meets your needs and goals as a brewer.